We finally made it to 2021. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas and New Year. To start off the new year, I'd like to share with you this rice paper roll recipe. It's a very simple and healthy recipe that will require minimal prep work. Most of the cooking time is around wrapping the rolls themselves. Oh, I would also like to introduce a new addition to our family. This is Haku. He's a miniature schnauzer. You might start to see him make mini appearances in my future videos, so keep an eye out. Now let's get started with the ingredients. The quantities for these ingredients will be in the description box below. You need prawns. I use cooked prawn here, but you can also use raw prawns. You'll also need bean sprout, iceberg lettuce, herbs, and rice vermicelli. You'll also need rice paper, pork, roasted peanuts, sugar, peanut butter, and hoisin sauce. For the herbs, I'm using Vietnamese perilla and Vietnamese mint, but you can use any kinds of herb you can get your hands on. For the prawns, peel the skin, devein, and cut them in half lengthwise. Boil the pork in water with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vinegar. This will help to get rid of any unwanted smell from the pork, as well as keeping the meat white. Boil the pork for about 15 to 20 minutes until the meat is cooked. Take it out and put in cold water to stop the cooking process. While we wait for the pork to cook, it's time for a snack break. I have cacao mochi with me today. Mochi is a type of Japanese sweet sticky rice cake. This one is cacao mochi that comes with strawberry and cream filling. Once the pork is cooked, cut them into thin slices. To make the dipping sauce, combine water, hoisin sauce, peanut butter, and sugar. Mix well and cook on low heat for a couple of minutes. Make a slurry by combining flour with water. You can use any kinds of flour. I'm using potato starch here. Mix the flour really well before adding into the mixture. Thickening the sauce this way will ensure there are no lumps in the sauce in the end. Let it bubble and simmer for another few minutes, and once you achieve this consistency, turn off and take off the heat. When the sauce cools down, it will thicken a little bit more. Now let's get wrapping. I first soften the rice paper by wetting it with warm water. You can use a brush or you can use your hand like I do here. Next is to place all the ingredients inside and roll them up. I would recommend placing the ingredients in the order that I show here because it will help with the rolling process as well as ensuring the prawns can be seen on the outside. Once you've placed all the ingredients, fold the left and the right side in and start rolling. Make sure you roll this really tightly. At the end, use a little bit more water and seal off the roll. This is 100% customizable, so you can add or skip ingredients that you don't like. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified when my new videos come out. See you in the next one.